Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to karaoke on Spotify. So you have to go to your search and you have to type here karaoke. Okay, and after that you'll get a lot of karaoke songs. So just to demonstrate, I will select this one. Okay, and after that you have to select whatever the songs you like and it will start playing. Okay, so after that you have to click on this heart, because if you want to play this song later you can just find it out in your library. Okay, and after that you have to just, after playing, you have to scroll it down and you have to click on lyrics. Okay, and after that you have to click on sing. Okay, now I will give allow, and after that it will start, and after that you can sing along with the song. Okay, so this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care.